prompt is about projects, and I want to talk to you about your current work in progress. So the thing is that writers are often a little bit like that dog from Up, you know, squirrel. The thing about projects is that when you get to the muddy middle, and I talk about this a lot, it is hard work. And that doesn't just mean about the novel you're writing. It's everything. You first find out you're going to have a baby. That's really exciting. And then you start getting fat and your ankles hurt and you get heartburn and a whole lot of other gross things happen. And then you have to go through childbirth, which is not fun at all. And then you've got this sweet little baby and yay, it's so happy. And then they won't go to sleep. And then they start to whine, and then they're 7, and they know everything, and they argue with you all the time. Life is just a series of happy moments that are broken up by a lot of muddy middle. It is really easy to run away. And the reason I'm doing this video right now with my wet hair is because the video I was working on for today is not working. And I'm not going to share it with you. And I'm not happy with it. And I'm not going to abandon it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait and let it sit for a bit, and I'm going to come back to it. And the reason I'm going to do that is because it's not just the video that's not working, it's the content. And I would totally be okay uploading a video to you for you to watch where the video and the editing is just a little bit not perfect, because I'm still learning that stuff. But I'm not going to upload a video for you to watch where you're not getting any good quality and content out of it. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to upload it because I don't want you to sit there and watch a video for 8 minutes, 8 minutes you can't get back, and not go away from it without something good and valuable. I'm not going to give up on posting every day, but I am going to switch it up a little bit because I see that what you're after is outlining. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for help through the muddy middle, basically. Either whether you're a planner or plotter, however you want to identify, and you are trying to figure out what the novel's going to be before you write it, or you're a pantser and you've gotten yourself into a great big tangled mess, as we do, or you're like me, a recently identified planster, and you're somewhere in between those two. It doesn't matter. The middle is hard, and we are going to get through the middle together. Let me know in the comments what you're struggling with right now in your project and how I can help you break through the barrier and get that project done. And if you're all very like squirrel, put up some squirrels. Check out this video and it will help you save your darlings, because